So hi everyone, how are you doing everyone? Nice, okay. So today we will learn the fifth program, write a R program for the calculating the cumulative sum and the product of the minima and maxima and calculus. Okay, so we'll learn the things. So before it is very much easy program in this NAB manual. Okay, let's start. But some three lines of code it will become a little bit confusing. But if you want to remove that you cannot, but it is about some it's okay, we will talk later. First we will focus on the easy part, because when you learn the easy the motivation automatically comes. Let's start. So I have created a variable. In the variable I have passed the vector. In the vector we have 1 2 3 4 5. So before starting that, what is cumulative? Sorry guys, cumulative, anybody know cumulative? What is cumulative? Yeah, let me just explain what is cumulative. Let me explain it here. Okay, think here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have the number of series. If I want to find the cumulative sum of this particular numbers, then answer would be, see, a minute, just a minute. See, 1, 2. If I want to find the cumulative of this particular numbers, so what means it? What happening is simple. Cumulative means adding each number with another number. 1 plus 2. The answer is 3. The cumulative sum is for this, it is 3. For this one, we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So for this, what the cumulative sum becomes, see, 1 plus 2, it is 3, right? 3. Then 3 plus 3, it is 6. Right? Then 6 plus 4, the 6 plus 4 is 10, right? And the 6 plus 5, it is 15. So the cumulative sum number is 15, total 15. Okay, so let me just prove you. There is a function called as sum. So when I run this particular thing, we should get the output as 15. Yeah, you can see the output 15, right? It will be actually, in this type, it will go 1 3 6 10 15. So same as it is, it has given like this. So henceforth, you got it. What is cumulative? It's add one number with each number, means we just add one number with another number. With that total, it will add another number. This is cumulative. I hope you have got it. Okay, so like that we just find the sum. Same as it is, we should do the multiplication, means product. cumprod. This is actually a function. It has same as it is. It works like this: 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, and then that number it will be multiplied 5. So answer will be coming. So let me run this particular code. Okay, so 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, it is 6, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 into 5, it is 120. So this is the product. And minimum and maximum, we should actually, we should find the cumulative sum. Can anybody guess the minimum of the community? Yes, it is 1. Minimum, maximum, 5. You are absolutely right. Actually, yeah, this one. Okay, you can see the minimum is 1 1 and the maximum is 5. Actually, it iterates. Actually, it iterates everything. Okay, now the difficult. I'm not saying it's difficult. It is a new concept for you guys. We are using a library. Yeah. Library called derive. Okay, it is pronunciation derive. You just run this, and it will ask you a install package. Just click on the top and just install. That's all. This is our function where we have created a function f, and we are passing x caps to where some like it is like something square, right? That one. And I have created another variable called as derivative. In that, I have just passed this particular library with the function f, and this will be giving the output. Let me just run this particular thing. You can see we got the 4. I have passed the 2 in a function. The 2 go for here, this 2 go for it x power of the 2, 2 power of 2, how much? 2, sorry, 2 power of 2, how much? 4. Yes, it is right. So 2 power of 2 is 4, so answer has came 4. And let me run this one in integrative v. So we get 4, 14.44. So yes, same here. We are talking about this thing, right? Integral value is integral values in something like mathematical expression, something which is something a little bit complex thing. You just read out and you get the information if you want something. So according to my information, this will be using in something like some of the functionality and mathematical functions which is use these things. Okay, so this much only in this video. So actually, I doesn't really know the actual meaning. If you want to know, you can just search it on in a YouTube or something else. We'll read it. Okay. Now in this video, this much only. In next video, we'll get to know the wonderful information about the new topic. It is a very new topic and a good program. Okay. Bye bye.